Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine. Yes, I am Fazana Munawar from Fazaya Inter College, Minhas, Kamra. I welcome you all in the social study class for the grade 5th. Dear student, as you know, we are studying Unit 1, Lesson 2, World Climate. Do you remember what we studied yesterday? Yes, yesterday we studied about climate change, and today we are going to discuss another topic which is directly related to the previous topic, climate change. Yes, our today's topic is the greenhouse effect. Today we will discuss what is greenhouse effect, what are the causes and effect of greenhouse effect on the environment and are on the planet Earth. First, I will explain what is greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gases allow sunlight to pass through the atmosphere and reach Earth's surface. Some of the sunlight is captured as heat on Earth and some of it goes back towards space. Yes, this trapping of heat inside the atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect. Here's a picture which will describe the process of greenhouse effect. Here you can see some of the rays which comes from the sun. Some of them are absorbed by the planet Earth and some of them go back to the space. Yes, dear student, the greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. When the sun's energy reaches the Earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected back to space and the rest is absorbed and radiated by greenhouse gases. The absorbed energy warms the atmosphere and the surface of the earth. Yes, CO2 means carbon dioxide and other gases in the atmosphere trap heat, keeping earth warm. When these gases are kept in right amount, they trap just enough heat to keep the earth warm for life to survive. Without greenhouse gases, the earth would be very chilly with temperature falling to minus 17 degrees Celsius. If you want to make your planet Earth more cool, then we should all decrease the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Here is another picture. It will show you the process of greenhouse effect. Yes, these yellow rays which come from the sun, they are some of them are absorbed by the surface earth and some of them go back to the space. Yes, these are called the infrared rays, infrared radiation. Some infrared are absorbed by the earth and some of them go back to the space. This is called the greenhouse effect. Now we will discuss what are the main gases of greenhouse effect. Yes, the main greenhouse gases are, first one is carbon dioxide. Yesterday I told you about the role of carbon dioxide in the environment. Yes, carbon dioxide plays important role in climate change. And the second one is methane. As I told you yesterday, methane is produced by the animal's waste. And the third one is nitrous oxide, which is produced by the smoke of factories. Yes, children, here are some activities which are done by the man and which are the major cause for the greenhouse effect. Yes, major greenhouse gases from people's activities are carbon dioxide. Yes, we are producing 64.3% carbon dioxide in our environment. Methane. Yes, this orange color shows methane gas and which is 17.0%. We are producing 17.0% methane gas in our environment and other gases are almost 11.9% including nitrous oxide which is 6.0%. All these gases are produced by our own activities. We are we are getting polluted our environment with these gases. Yes, what are the effect of greenhouse gases on climate? Changing the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere can lead to warming or cooling of the climate system. Yes, the quantity of these gases may cool or may warm the climate system. An increase in the amount of greenhouse gas increase the effect of greenhouse effect, which is creating global warming. Yes, the increase of these gases, it means the increase of carbon dioxide, means the increase of nitrous oxide in the environment, and all these cause the global warming. Here you can see some activities. These are the activities which are responsible for greenhouse effect. Yes, first one is shown by the blue color, that is transportation. Yes, we are using vehicles more than past, and we are uh, producing 14.3% gases, greenhouse gases by the transportation, and we are producing 3.2% greenhouse gases by the waste, and agriculture is producing 13.8%. Yes, we are cutting down trees and we are clearing land more for agriculture. Land use change, yes, we are cutting trees, we are making space to build factories, we are making space to build more buildings. And the other is industrial process. Yes, the pollution which is produced in industries is creating 4.3%. Paginated emissions are producing 4.0%. Yes, the gases which are produced from the pressurized system are 4.0% are called paginated emissions. Here is industry again 14.7%, and other fuel consumption is 18.8%, and electricity and heat is producing 24.9%. Yes, we are using more electrical appliances nowadays than past. So 24.9% is the highest percentage which is produced by the electricity and heat. What are the causes of greenhouse effect? Yes, there are the many causes of greenhouse effect: burning of coal, burning of trees, uh, yes, exhaust of fumes from vehicles. All these are the causes, and we will discuss all these causes turn-wise. First one is burning of fossil fuels. Yes, fossil fuels including coal, natural gas, and petroleum. These are the great facility for the human being, but they are creating more poisonous gases in the environment by burning of fossil fuel. By burning of fossil fuels such as coal and natural gases produces carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide major element is a major element which is responsible for climate change, which is responsible for greenhouse effect, because carbon dioxide is the main gas of greenhouse. Smoke produced by the burning of petrol. Yes, we are using more vehicles. We don't want to run, we don't want to walk, we don't want to use bicycle. Okay, but we are producing more carbon dioxide in the environment. We are producing more poisonous chemicals in the environment that are responsible for global change, that are responsible for climate change. Yes, another one is fossil fuels are burned to produce energy. Large amount of carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide are released by the process of these burning fuels. Yes, here you can see oil, coal, and natural gas. These are the fossil fuel, but they are creating more and more carbon dioxide in the environment. Here you can see the some carbon dioxide which comes from the uh, diffusion process, in which this is called the respiration process of the sea animals, which also cause CO2. Animals are also producing CO2. Okay, but a very little CO2 is consumed by the process of photosynthesis. So we can say we are adding more and more carbon dioxide in the environment. that is responsible for climate change, that is responsible for greenhouse effect. Deforestation, yes, we are cutting trees to clear land for buildings. We are cutting trees to clear land for build more schools, more factories, more industries. But deforestation, and other reason for increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is that number of trees are decreasing. Trees act as lung of earth. Dear student, trees are called the lungs of earth because they are the great source of producing oxygen. They take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen in the air. Forests play an important role in removing carbon dioxide from the air through the process of photosynthesis, in which they use carbon dioxide and they produce oxygen. Dear students, please take out your diary. It's time for homework. Yes, please note down the question. Question number one. What is the greenhouse effect? Yes, today I told you briefly about what is greenhouse effect. And you write the answer of this question with the help of PDF, which will sent by the teacher in the evening. Yes. Another question. What are greenhouse gases? You will write the names of all greenhouses which are responsible for greenhouse effect. Okay, dear students, have a nice day and Allah Hafiz. I wish may Allah Pak bless you all with good health. Allah Hafiz.